packaging. So you have your owner's manual right here. Hopefully we got that in view. I would hang on to that. But for right now, we're just gonna toss that to the back. Let's see. Looks like this is the bottom here. So let's pull that out. Let's put the box down over here. You have rubber feeding down here, so this is your bottom. So let's turn that. It looks like we do have a air filter here already. Now, when I watched a couple of the other videos, it did not say that the air filter came with the item. You had to purchase it. So again, that's why I got this. But that's a plus. So I can bring this back and I can put on this this air filter. That's great. Wasn't expecting that. Let's just check the side of this other foam to see what's there. Okay. Sorry guys, give me a minute. I'm getting ready to lose a light here. So let me just turn this other one on for backup. Get that out of the plastic. Put that over here. Nice, small, compact, which is exactly what I was looking for. You bleed